Everything that nobody ever asked for, I'm not chosen. The Mr. Gun. What's going on, YouTube? It's your boy K Dizzy, bringing y'all a trade recap. Let's get right into it. Like, subscribe, and comment any questions, and join the Discord below so you can watch these sessions live Monday, Friday. Let's get it. We have our indicator. As soon as I seen this 15-minute institutional candle, I was like, okay, we're in our entry. So I kind of just put an entry in around this area too, like around this area right here. And so let's go on the lower time frame. Nothing on the 10-minute, nothing on the 5. There's something right here on the 5-minute. So I'll mark this as like, okay, another area if it does come down to that. Okay, it's an institutional candle. So I was in like around here, right? And let's go on the 1 minute because I was looking at it from the 1 minute. So 8 o'clock hits, it comes down to this area, but then starts going up, right? And one thing here that I realized, and I'm mad I didn't record today's session. It was all live. I called it all out. I called everything out and made 5-6 times more than what I lost, because I lost at first. And I'm gonna show y'all where I lost. So I was getting in for a buy because on the 15-minute, just what it's doing right now, where it's respecting. Yeah, I was in for a buy. So, but then I seen this 2-minute institutional candle, this blue candle before the push down. Right, I seen this, and I kind of was on guard. I told everybody that was watching, I was like, we're not happy until it disrespects this area. So my entry was like right, I'll kind of put it like, it was like right here. Oh yeah, my stop loss was like almost 50. Yeah, I was down here. And no, that wasn't my take profit. My take profit was like up, could be up here somewhere. But nah, like I said, I was not hyped every time it bought up, because I was like, okay, it has to disrespect this area before I get hyped, because everything would have been profit like above here, above like this price line. So let's see what happens. So it was going up, right? That's why I'm saying don't get happy to the students, because I kind of knew in my head that it could go either way just because of higher time frame. But so when it wicked in there and then started giving this type of reaction, I was like, oh nah. And before it did that, I was already out. I could see the momentum. Like, it's the 1 minute. It kind of shows you like, oh, it's pushing down. So like I got out like literally like right here, like halfway from my stop loss. So I lost less. So boom, it went down. Oops. Let me go show y'all what it did after, because I got in after. So it went down all the way. So once it went down, okay. So yeah, once it went down, I like instantly got into a whole different zone, because I first deleted this, then this, then this. Looked on a 2-minute, right? It's respecting this. I see it always buy up and then sell, just to sell back down, aka institutional candle. If I mark this out so y'all can really see, institutional candle. So I literally got in like right around here, knowing that okay, if we wasn't going up, we're gonna be going down because of what it just showed, broke past a low. So yeah, I got in like around here. My mental stop loss was above here. And I'll show y'all what it did. Look at that. And I got out like around here. I made way more money than I lost today. And then look what it ended up doing. Oh my god. Because this was 8 o'clock, 8:30 news, and this what happened at 8:30 news, I would have been super out. But currently what it's doing, it went crazy after, but I already finished my trade right there, and I was already out and happy, alive and well. I think I'm up like 5.3% today, and this week has been great, so I'm probably up like more than 15% this week. Blessed. But I got things I gotta take care of, so I'm not like super hyped. Like, of course, pat on the back, disciplined week, great. Gonna reset for the weekend, come back to it Sunday night, and then perform again next week and just keep climbing the ladder. So it's been your boy Kid Dizzy. Go into the bio, look at the Discord, join the Discord, free boot camp. There's a bunch of free resources and things for you guys to latch on and learn. You should not be wasting another month in 2025 trying to figure out, how do I trade? Description. Come on in, book a call with me. There's so many different things you could do to lock in. I'll see y'all.